Vocabulary number 3. The first few signs, greetings and farewell. Hello. Hello. Starts at your temple, pushes out like a salute, more formal version. Hi. Hey. Bye. See? See? Later. My L moves into the future, moves forward. See you later. See you later. You don't need to sign see you later. The C moves towards you, and so does the later. Take care. I have my two Ks on top of each other. Take care. The sign goodbye is a well-known way to say farewell. Take care is a more informal way. Often deaf goodbyes are never complete until plans are made for the next time friends will see each other again. Shaking hands and hugging is common, and it is considered impolite or rude to leave a group of deaf friends or deaf people without saying goodbye to each person. Deaf people cannot hear environmental sounds, so they can't hear from the other room that you're preparing to leave to come out to say goodbye, so you have to go in and let them know individually that you're leaving. So this means farewells tend to take a long time in the deaf community, approximately 45 minutes in my experience. It's also impolite to leave even temporarily without announcing your intention. Even if it's only to get a drink of water or to use the bathroom, you'll always say, I'm going to go to the bathroom, I'm going to go get some water, to let them know that you'll be right back. And here is snapshot number 3, seating arrangements.